Hi everybody, I'm here today with my new Graphic 45 Steampunk Spells mini album. We're going to do a flip through so you can see all of the pages inside. But first, this is a 5-page or 5-pocket page mini album. It measures 5 inches by 6.5 inches and it has a 3-inch spine. The pages inside measure 4.25 by 6.25 inches. And it is matted to hold 73 photos. So as you can see, it is a pretty chunky little album here. So on the front cover, I have fussy cut the image of her, the steampunk spells, and then I've pieced together my frame. I've got a couple of the chipboard pieces from the collection. And on the side here, it's held together with a chain closure, and it's got a couple of cute little steampunk charms as well. So there will be a tutorial available on my website if you are interested in making this album, but there are some things that are available for free on the Graphic 45 YouTube channel. So I have 3 different cards that I made for my Graphic 45 brand ambassador project. So there's a full tutorial for these. I'll point those out as we go. Front cover is just pretty plain. It's got a strip of the paper here. I used the 8x8 and the 12x12 Deluxe Collector's Edition to make this album. There's some metal embellishments like the keys. Then I've used my Graphic 45 dies here with some metallic gold paper as accents. This flips up for some writing. Then the card opens up for photos. This is open so you can tuck the photo inside. Then this is magnetized. It flips open. And there is a photo mat here, room for 2 photos. Then both of these flaps flip open, room for 3 photos here. All of these are open, so all the photos will slide underneath all of these gears. So it's easy to just put the photos in. Each of the pages is a top-loading pocket page, so all the photo mats are very similar, just plain matted surfaces on the bottom and just strips of the design paper on the top. On the next page, this is magnetized. It holds these flaps closed. This is one of the cut aparts from the collection. And then I have a waterfall with photo mats on the back of each one. So this is matted to hold 5 photos and then a spot here for some journaling. This is a pocket journaling card so you can journal. A little tiny booklet that holds 2 small photos. This is a swing tab. This opens up and there's room for 2 photos. Then the entire page opens up, so we've got room for a photo. And then this is another swing tab. And this opens 2 directions. So first it flips this way for 2 photos, and then it will flip this way for journaling, and then a photo spread. Another photo mat here in this pocket. Next page, I have a chipboard piece with a ribbon closure. Got a photo mat, room for journaling, and then more photos. Then this flips up, room for a photo. It will tuck underneath of that sticker. And then in the pocket, I have a photo booklet that has room for 2 larger photos. This is another one of the cards that I made for our Graphic 45 tutorial. I will put the link to that in the description box below. It's on a brad so that it swivels. The card front has one of the metal keyholes from Graphic 45. opens up. You could place a photo here, some journaling here. And then this card opens up again, room for photos. Then underneath the belly band, there's a photo booklet that has room for 2 more photos. In this booklet, whenever it goes under the belly band, it will stay because it's stuck by the brad, and so it won't fall out. Next page, we have another swing tab. This one opens down, so there's room for 2 photos here. And then the whole flap opens up, room for a photo. And then in the pocket, there are 2 photo mats, double-sided. On the next page, I have a piece of chipboard here with the cut-up parts. Photo here, some room for journaling. This slips down, room for another photo. And then the flaps actually are pull-out photo mats. So there's a pocket with the photo mat, another pocket with another photo mat, and then another place to place a photo. Photo mat in the top, just like in the other pages. On this page, you have a piece of the chipboard. It's magnetized, room for a photo, flipping open, room for a photo, and then underneath the belly band, there's room for 2 larger photos. This is another one of the cards that I created for the Graphic 45 blog and YouTube channel. So there is a full tutorial for this. Another one of the metal keys here. This flips open, room for some journaling. The card flips open again, room for photos. And then the card flips up. It is magnetized, room for a photo here. And then this is a waterfall that will hold 4 photos. And then room for journaling in the center. There is another photo mat here in the top. Last page, I made a fun little element here, held together with a ribbon, and then this whole thing opens up, room for 2 3x3 photos there. And then this is attached to a belly band on the page, and then underneath the belly band are 2 photo mats for more photos. So we've got a large photo mat here, and then a small photo booklet that opens up for 2 smaller photos. The back is just plain to match the front with that strip of the little cut-apart cards. The back of the album just has one of the stickers fussy cut onto black cardstock, and the gear paper matches the spine, and the spine just has a chipboard piece with a little bit of ribbon. So this is my new Steampunk Spells mini album using the Graphic 45 Deluxe Collector's Editions, mostly the 8x8, but also some of the 12x12. There is a tutorial available for the album itself. I will list that in the description box below if you want to purchase that. There's also a free tutorial for the top hat that you saw in the beginning of the video. That's a storage box for the mini album, and that is also available on YouTube. So I will also link that in the description box below. And don't forget that the cards also have a tutorial that are available, and that will be in the description box below too. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.